the big story we're checking for you. The Jammu and Kashmir DGP has told NDTV that an initial probe reveals that the Lashkar might be behind the attack on the Jammu airbase. The activity at Kaluchuk also seems to be from the same group. 22-year-old Nadeem ul Haq of Banihal has been arrested for interrogation, and 4 kgs of IED was recovered, which he was supposed to put in a civilian area. This is what has in fact been said. Let's go right across to my colleague Neeta Sharma for more information, but let's listen in first to what the Kashmir IGP has had to say.
पूरा तैयारी कर लिए, थ्रेट बहुत सीरियस थ्रेट है, ये टेक्नोलॉजिकल थ्रेट है, इसको टेक्नोलॉजी के थ्रू भी हम लोग रिस्पॉन्स करेंगे और उसमें हम लोग काफ़ी डिप्लॉयमेंट कर लिए, क्योंकि ये स्ट्रेटेजिक इंपॉर्टेंस है, हम लोग शेयर नहीं कर सकते हैं पूरा डिटेल में। उसके बाद कल 15 कोर में जोशी 15 कोर कमांडर साहब ने मीटिंग लिए, मैंने अटेंड किया, फर्दर उसको स्ट्रेंथन हम लोग कर रहे हैं, जितने वाइटल इंस्टेंशन है इसको भी प्लस एलसी पर भी। उसके अलावा आज देखे होंगे जैसा एक डल के एरिया में एक ड्रोन फ्लाई कर रहा था, उसको पुलिस ने जब्त कर लिया, एफआईआर लॉन्च किया, उसको कार्रवाई कर रहे हैं हम लोग।
All right, so that's the latest information that is coming in. The IGP in fact saying that there was another drone today that was spotted over the Dal Lake. The police have seized that particular drone and even lodged an FIR. So that's the update that's coming in. But let's go right across to Neeta joining us with the very latest. Neeta, what more can you tell us about the Lashkar angle?
See, as far as the Lashkar angle is concerned, the Director General of Police Jammu and Kashmir categorically told me, Rishika, that a person who has been arrested, a 22-year-old from Banihal, he belongs to TRF, which is an offshoot of Lashkar-e-Taiba. Initial probe, even in the Jammu airbase attack case, reveals that Lashkar might be behind the attack. In fact, even Kaluchak, the drones were spotted, 2 drones were spotted only after army sentry spotted and fired back upon them, that they flew back. So in the entire, these 2-3 activities are being linked to Lashkar as per as the initial information is concerned, Rishika. Interestingly, as even the IGP Kashmir was mentioning, that the entire paradigm of security is changing as far as these vital strategic things are concerned, our high value targets are concerned, because the use of drone is becoming a big issue as far as India is concerned. Today itself, India has also highlighted this drone issue even in United Nations Assembly. In fact, the Special Secretary Internal Security, Mr. Komodi, he made a statement in which he categorically said that another add-on to the existing worries in the use of drones being a low-cost option and easily available utilization of these aerial surface platforms for sinister purposes by terrorist groups such as intelligence collection, weapon, explosive delivery, targeted attacks have come an imminent danger and challenge for security agencies worldwide. He has focused on this. He further goes on, adds that the possibility of the use of weaponized drones for terrorist purposes against strategic and commercial assets call for serious attention by member states. We have witnessed terrorists using UAS to smuggle weapons across borders. So India is obviously concerned about the use of drones as far as the terror activities are concerned. Interestingly, Rishika, even our tech agency, which is NTRO, National Technical Research Organization, now has joined probes along with national investigating agencies. Both are investigating the Jammu attack, airbase attack. Our sources are also telling us that why, Lashkar activities has seen a upsurge in last few days. If you remember, few days back, in fact last week only, Jamaat-ud Dawa head Mr. Hafiz Saeed, his residence, his area was also attacked. There was a blast around his residence also. So they say that Lashkar is being pressurized to do something spectacular as far as India is concerned, and that is why all these 2 or 3 activities which were listed even by the IGP also and even by the DGP are an offshoot of Lashkar. Rishika?
All right, Neeta. Well, lots of updates there coming in. We're going to continue to keep a close watch on that investigation. Thanks so much for joining us for the very latest.